Hey guys, this is Mr. Technology back again. So today we have Aukey active noise cancelling earbuds. As you know, I like the unique product. So the unique thing about this product is it has a button which can activate the noise cancelling. Let's unbox it. So nothing on the sides, just the branding here. Okay, let's get inside the box. Looks nice. So this is leather, feels pretty nice. We have the controls here, I assume. Okay, branding this side. And let me remove it from the box. Yeah, so there we have the active noise cancelling on and off button. This looks to be a micro USB charging port. Yeah. So nothing other than that on this side. Let's see what's there on this side. No buttons on right hand side of the headphones. So this is the right side of the earpiece. Quite stylish in-ear kind of thing. Same on this side. I think the battery should be here or somewhere here. Let's see what else is there on the box. So we have a cable, USB to micro USB, then few ear tips, I think. Yeah, so different types of earpiece, and we have once again, yeah, so we have two of these, I think, wire binding stuffs so that wire knot goes around. And then at last we have the manuals, and this is 24 months product warranty, user manual describing other stuffs. It's in multiple languages. So volume up and down, this is multifunction button, and then we also have LED and micro USB port, active noise cancellation, other stuffs. So it have a lithium polymer battery of 300 mAh, and play time looks to be 15 hours with active noise cancellation and up to 20 hours without active noise cancellation. Standby looks to be 41 hours with active noise cancellation and up to 500 hours without active noise cancellation. Looks nice. So it's on Bluetooth 4.1 and noise reduction technology CVC 6.0. And as all other Bluetooth devices, it's also have the wireless range of 33 feet or 10 meters. So we'll test it in coming days and we'll get back to you. That's pretty much all from the box. So this is Mr. Tech and Blake. We'll be back soon with another tech. Signing off. Peace.